Good morning, girls. Today we discuss about the price discrimination. Price discrimination or discriminating monopoly occurs when a monopolist sells different units of his product at different prices to different buyers, even though these units are identical in their physical characteristics. प्राइस डिस्क्रिमिनेशन या डिस्क्रिमिनेटिंग मोनोपोली उस समय कहा जा सकता है जब मोनोपोलिस्ट जो है डिफरेंट यूनिट्स अपने प्रोडक्ट के डिफरेंट प्राइसेस पर अपने बायर्स को सेम प्रोडक्ट होने के बावजूद बेचता है, तो इस तरीके की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स को हम प्राइस डिस्क्रिमिनेशन कहते हैं। By the extent of price discrimination depends on the circumstances. Number one, the most favorable situation is one in which a monopolist charges a different price for every individual units of a homogeneous product. It is a case of perfectly discriminating monopoly. It is a very unlikely situation that a buyer will pay different prices for the identical units of commodity that he purchases. The second point, a more likely situation is one when different individual consumers are charged different prices for their purchases. Discrimination between buyers is more usual than is discrimination between units of homogeneous product. And third, it is more usual still for a different price to be charged for different groups of customers or consumers. Perfect competition is incompatible with price discrimination, and it often occurs in monopoly and some form of imperfect competition. Price discrimination is a different from price differentials. One should expect a difference in prices when there is a difference in costs. If a consumer pays a lower price for large scale purchase and a higher price for retail purchases, such difference in price will not be called price discrimination. A situation of price discrimination occurs when the difference in price is greater than difference in costs. यानी प्राइस डिस्क्रिमिनेशन उस समय होता है जब प्राइस जो है उसकी लागत से अधिक होते हैं, काफी अधिक होते हैं. And it is no simple job to define discriminating monopoly. To prove its existence in reality is a difficult task. Differences in prices may or may not give rise to price discrimination. Changing the same price may or may not result in price discrimination. Now, okay, guys.